days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race for you. Tuesday, happy, happy days. 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 Tuesday, happy, happy days.
Mama! Hey guys, so I'm sorry if it's kind of dark. I'm in the car and we're at the mall. My mom and I, we went grocery shopping. Pauwi na kami. I'll show you guys kung ano yung binili namin sa grocery later. So, I'm just waiting for my parents. I'm alone in the car. And yeah, for this week and the coming weeks, I bought mostly yung mga pang snacks kasi magsa-start na yung school, so we need school snacks like yung mga chips, chocolates, ganun for my siblings. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul later pagka-uwi, so we're gonna see that. So I'll see you when we get home. Hey guys, so we're now home and ito yung groceries. So I'm gonna show you real quick kung ano yung mga binili ko. So first we have corn chips from, I don't know how to say this, tahus or tattoos. So these are corn chips. Kasi hindi ko gets kung bakit may ganitong symbol. Like, what does it mean? Is it vegan? Ganun. Ayan. So we got that. We also got Chips Delight. So these are the striped chocolate chip cookies and the triple chocolate overload cookies for snacks. The wasabi potato chips. So I bought a lot of chips kasi I wanted to stock up on snacks for when we're studying, ganun. So, staple na to sa house, the Milo. I got my favorite. This is my favorite noodles ever. This is the beef bulgogi flavor fried noodle from Nongshim. So, you have to try this, guys, as in it's so good. Like, usually yung ginagawa ko when I eat the beef on top. So, okay. And the noodles part, we have the mee goreng noodles. So, hindi ko pa ito natatry. And I wanted to try this out. So, I got 3. And it's supposed to be good. So, Quaker oatmeal. This is the instant oatmeal one. We have yung whole grain rolled oats sa pantry. But this is just the instant version. Kasi school year, I'm planning to eat oatmeal for breakfast para mabilis lang. And this is the Korean glass noodle sauce for japchae. So, pag gumagawa ako ng japchae, ito yung nilalagay kong sauce. This is our favorite peanut butter. We get this every time we go to the grocery. Laging ubos to agad in like 2 weeks, ganun. Like I mentioned in my previous grocery haul, naging favorite namin tong Right and Light. So, we got 3 flavors. Ayan. These wafers, I saw this and parang mukha siyang bago. So, yeah, I got 4. Ayan, pang ano lang din, pang snacks. Armor na luncheon meat. And then, this one is my favorite snack. It's the Brookside Dark Chocolate, acai and blueberry flavor. So, it's like parang may fruit sa gitna, tapos it's coated with dark chocolate. So, masarap to and it's healthy, I think. Some chips ulit. This is the Oishi Pancho's taco flavor na tortilla chips. Yan yan. This is the Kalbi Wasabi flavor potato chips. So, ang dami ko nakuhang chips today. Next, we have seaweed. Of course, this is already a staple in our house. A pack of chocolate from Cadbury. We have itong Lotus Biscoff Crunchy Spread. So, actually, alam nyo ba guys, hindi ko din alam before until recently that Biscoff pala is vegan. So, I'm gonna eat this na when I eat my toast. And then next, we have some Kewpie or Kewpie mayonnaise. This is the Japanese mayonnaise, so it's perfect for sushi, ganon. And then you can also top this sa mga kimchi fried rice. It's so good, guys. You have to try it. More yan. And then we also have yung dark almonds na snack. So the other stuff that we got, nasa freezer na, but we also got some salmon and some nuggets, steak. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys something. So ito yung isa naming nabili. This is the Vega meat-free burger patty. And I was surprised to find this at grocery because it's like vegetarian or plant-based na meat na burger patty. So I can't wait to try this one out. So that's about it for this haul. I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. We're gonna eat lunch and buy plants and visit the farm and we're gonna relax. Okay, so I'm gonna try this since we're going out. Ano siya, ano? Wine. Bought so much plants. I don't know if kita lahat, but yeah, we bought so much plants and they're so cheap. Just arrived at our farm. This is our little kubo. Pataas pa yun. That's my sister. We have a meditation area sa taas. So we're gonna go there. So ayan, that is the view below. Kasi ito yung inakyat namin. That's the meditation area. So it's very peaceful here.